Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record screen on Windows 10 step by step clearly. To record your screen on Windows 10, start by opening the search bar. Type Xbox Game Bar into the search field. Select the Xbox Game Bar app from the search results. Once the app opens, a small overlay will appear. Make sure you are on the screen you want to record. Press the Windows key and the letter G at the same time. This will open the Game Bar overlay. A prompt may appear asking if this is a game. Click Yes to proceed, even if you are not recording a game. Look for the Capture widget, which shows camera and recording options. If you don't see the Capture widget, click on the widget menu icon. From the menu, select Capture. Now, you will see the recording options. To start recording, click on the circular record button. Alternatively, you can press Windows key plus Alt plus R to begin recording. You will see a small timer indicating that recording is in progress. To stop recording, return to the game bar and click the Stop button. You can also use Windows key plus Alt plus R again to stop the recording. Your video will automatically be saved. To find your recording, open the File Explorer. Navigate to the Videos folder. Then enter the Captures subfolder. Your recordings will be listed here, labeled by date and time. You can now edit or share your videos as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.